guys, so today I am going to be showing you my bun squishies that I'm gonna put on my freezer for the squishy experiment. And yeah, so let's get started. Firstly, oh gosh, it just flew. I have this hamburger of this burger squishy. It's not a hamburger. Okay, just focus. Yeah. Next I have is this bun mirrored squishy. Shit. Next I have is this pink minion bun squishy. Next I have this white minion bun squishy. Next I have this minion bun squishy or whatever. Sorry if I'm wrong. It's super duper soft. Next I have, oh gosh. Next I have is this Gorilla Kuma squishy. I don't know if this is a bun. I'm not sure. So whatever. I have this a bun. Apa? Tak nak sekarang. Sekejap. Next I have this bun. It's super soft and squishy. Next I have this minion bun. No white, no pink, no blue. Does blue even exist? I don't know. But this is the normal bun. If I can focus it. There you go. Soft and stuff. Next I have this bun. This melon bun. It's super duper hard. My hand hurts. And next I have this cat squishy. I know it's not a bun, but whatever, I'm gonna put on the freezer too. How dare you? Stay. I know it's a bun, but whatever. I'm just experimenting. Lastly is this 3 bun squishy. This one is the softest. This one is the hardest. This one is the medium hard. Medium soft. Whatever. So that's all the squishy I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on the freezer and yeah, be right back. Woo! Hi.
Jadi masukkan skop semua ni.
Yeah. Waiting. I'm bored. Play my iPad while eating rice and waiting for the food to come. But whatever. I'm just gonna show.
Malam jangan makan lagi.
Hi.